Hi everyone, in today's video we will learn how to automatically translate pages built using Divi. First, make sure that you have installed and activated Polylang and Autopoly plugin. Now navigate to your Pages section. Select the target translation language from the list of available languages provided by Polylang. Here I am going to choose Spanish. Click on this plus icon. Here choose Translate with Divi option. A prompt will appear asking if you want to duplicate the original page content. Select Yes. Next, you have to select the translation provider. Choose one according to your preferences. Once selected, a tab containing both the source text and translation text will appear. Click Translate. The translation process will begin and wait for a few minutes. After the translation completes, click Update Content. Lastly, publish your page and preview it or make manual edits to adjust translations for better accuracy. That's it, our Divi page has been successfully translated in less than 2 minutes. Thanks for watching.